Okay, I have my hat on. Got my hat on. We're about to make some chocolate in here.
Wait, hold on. Let me show you some parts of the tour, which is the first thing that happens. Then we'll come back to this part, which is when you get to make some chocolate and see the machines that make it.
Quien fue desterrado del cielo por compartir las delicias del chocolate y cacao con los simples mortales. Cuando cosechamos las mazorcas, dejamos las semillas dentro, pero queremos darle la oportunidad de que prueben el fruto, porque ¿cuántas personas pueden comer el fruto del cacao? No muchas, así que siéntanse personas especiales.
¿Especial?
Sí, claro que usted es especial, pero está supuesto a regresar al final del recorrido.
We're about to make some chocolate in here in this little mini factory.
Con esto nosotros hacemos un licor para hacer barras de chocolate que más adelante.
Es el mío. Ya.
Muy bien, ahora pueden colocar los ojos. Esmérense decorando. Si siente que es suficiente y así, este se lo puede comer junto con el chocolate. Y esto ahora lo llevo a refrigeración.
Kind of opened it to take a photo, but here we have the chocolate I made. Let's see what masterpiece I created. I'm getting, let me just like break a piece. Let's see. It's pretty good. The chocolate's pretty good. Mine's on the lighter end as far as dark chocolate goes. It has almonds and I think what it's like a little cacao seeds. It's a nice taste. It's one of the finer ends of chocolate, I guess. Yeah. I'm not gonna go off and start selling this stuff. It's not my chocolate. What I did was put pretty much seeds in it. But it's good. This experience has been pretty cool. Like I said before, the place is dope. It's fun to make your own chocolate, to see the little tour. And it's not super expensive. You guys should try it out when you come.